Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using a PC that has an AMD chipset or an AMD CPU, and an easy way to know if it's the case, right-click on your Start button and go into Task Manager and look at what CPU you're running. And the CPU, if it says AMD Ryzen or AMD something, whatever, you probably are having updates with today's release. So it fixes a big list of bugs, actually. There's been a lot of people complaining of all sorts of things with the AMD architecture, chipset, and everything on different PCs. I myself had a few little glitches here and there that I knew were actually AMD chipset problems, not Windows related. And so it's one of the things that they're fixing here. So basically, I will share with you the link to the page of the AMD Ryzen chipset driver release. This is in the notes, and in the bottom of the notes is the link where you'll see here AMD Ryzen chipset driver for Windows 10 and 11 64 bits. So click that, install that, and make sure that you have that installed. If you have issues, even if you don't have issues, you can still install it, but that's up to you. Sometimes people stay away from updates for drivers and so on. So I applied it on two of my machines that are AMD driven, my gaming laptop, my Asus TUF, and this system that I'm using to make videos every day that is also based on an AMD processor. And I applied the updates, and everything is fine on both machines. I've been running them for a few hours now. Absolutely no problems. And I've noticed, mainly on my gaming laptop, where the problems were, that the glitches that I hadn't noticed are actually gone. So I think it's worth updating this the chipset drivers. If you're using an AMD Ryzen CPU, or if you're not sure, the thing is if you click this, download it, and click the install button, if your PC is not compatible with anything, it won't do anything. It's just going to tell you, no, there's nothing for you here. So there's no worries in installing a bad driver or a driver that's not meant for you. Those days are long gone. Now it's there's verifications that are done, and they actually tell you. So the link to this page will be in the description below. If you have an AMD-based machine, maybe it could be worth it to install the latest drivers released. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.